atoms, molecules, and nuclei. Radioactivity. What are radioactive substance? What are radioactive substance? Anybody knows from lower standard? Radioactive substance
that produces a lot of energy when they are being used.
नहीं, बराबर नहीं. Anybody knows what are radioactive substance? Those.
Spotlight.
Pardon?
Substances that emit radiations.
Very good. Visible or invisible?
Invisible radiations.
Invisible.
Very good. Very good. Those substance which produces spontaneously invisible radiations which are not affected by temperature are called as radioactive substance. So those substance which produces spontaneously invisible radiations which are not affected by temperature are called as radioactive substances. Right. Then we'll see what is radioactivity, law of radioactive disintegration.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, can you send the recording of morning's lecture?
I will send, because when all lecture gets over, then I download and send it. So after the class by 12 o'clock you will. Return?
No, sir. No, sir.
By temperature and pressure. Nuclear chemistry all have done in chemistry?
Yes, sir. Done.
So this is partly that only what we are going to study. Shall I clear now? Definition of radioactive substance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is radioactivity? The phenomenon of spontaneous emission, the phenomenon of spontaneous emission of invisible radiations from radioactive substances is called as radioactivity. Right. Then law of radioactive disintegration. Law of radioactive disintegration. Radioactivity written? Phenomenon of spontaneous emission of invisible radiation from radioactive substance is called as radioactive. Okay. The rate of disintegration, that is number of radioactive atoms disintegrating per unit time is directly proportional to the number of is directly proportional to the number of radioactive atoms present at that instant. That means if 100 atoms are there, if rate of integration is, let us take x, then for 200 it will increase, it will not remain same. The rate of disintegration, that is number of radioactive atoms disintegrating per unit time, is directly proportional to number of atoms present at that instant. Let dN upon dt the rate of disintegration and n the number of atoms present at that instant. Okay, please copy this much. Law of radioactive disintegration. The rate of disintegration, that is number of radioactive atoms disintegrating per unit time, is directly proportional to number of atoms present at that instant. Let dN upon dt be rate of disintegration and n be the number of atoms present at that instant. Therefore, dN upon dt proportional to n. So dN upon dt is minus lambda n, where lambda is a constant called as decay constant, where lambda is a constant called as decay constant. Okay, complete properly till end. Completed?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Negative sign indicates that as time increases, rate of disintegration decreases. Right. The next one, show that n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda. Very, very important question. One, either theory or MCQ is fixed on this topic. So that n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda. Here n means number of atom at any instant. N0 is number of atoms at the start. E is called exponential. Lambda is decay constant, T is time. Written, shall I clear it?
Done, sir.
Okay. By law of radioactive disintegration, dN upon dt equals to minus lambda n. Therefore, dN upon n is minus lambda d. From dN, we are interested in n, so I will take integration. Integration of dN by n is minus lambda d. What is integration of 1 upon x?
Log x.
Log
Log
x.
x, yes. So log of n is minus lambda t plus c, where c is constant of integration. To get c, we can think of starting condition. When time is 0, let n equals to n0, which is initial radioactive atoms. So at the start or initial, when time is 0, n0 are radioactive atoms. So we can say log of, when n becomes n0, then t becomes 0. So log n0 equals to c. Substituting c equals to log n0 in 1 we get. Please copy this much. Substituting c equals to log n0 in 1 we get. C equals to n0 in 1 we get. Done? Can I clear it? Yes, can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So therefore, log of n is minus lambda t plus log of n0. So log of n minus log of n0 equals to minus lambda. What is log a minus log b?
Log A upon B.
Log a
Sir, log A
upon
upon.
correct is minus lambda. If here is no base, it should be e.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes.
a equal to b raised to x, how to convert into log?
Log A equals to.
No, no, log x to the base
Sir, log X is equal
Yes,
to.
yes. Okay.
log x equals to the base a equal to b ना
Yes.
बराबर है रॉन्ग है ना ये
Wrong.
Yes. Sir, log B
Sir,
to
log
the
A
base.
to the base X.
So log B to the base A
इक्वल
equals
टू
to
x
X.
हाँ ये भी रॉन्ग है
So correct है ना?
base remains same every time so it will be log of x to the base b equal to a
So exponent आंसर आना चाहिए ना?
एक सेकंड मैंने एक्सपोनेंट लिया ही नहीं मैंने क्या किया in terms of b रखा ना base so base will remain same and then it gets interchanged see वापस देखो a equals to b raised to x so that means it will be log of base same log of a to the base b equal to x no? That's why b raised to x will become a. This is how we convert algebraic to logarithm.
Yes.
So here e is base will remain same. Then interchange minus raised to minus lambda t is n upon n0. Clear? Base remains same.
Yes, sir.
So e raised to minus this is n upon n0. Everybody has followed that from log how I.
Yes.
Okay. Now if I cross multiply, then we'll get n equal to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. Hence, copy. N equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda t. Shall I clear it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Define half life period. The time taken by radioactive substance. The time taken by radioactive substance to reduce to half of its original value is called as half life period. it is denoted by T. Therefore, in time, it is denoted by T. In time T, number of atoms becomes N equals to half of original atom. Number of radioactive atoms becomes half of original. Any doubt in concept?
No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
That means if there are 100,
No.
100 will become 50 in half-life period T. Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. So that lambda, that means decay constant, is 0.693 upon half-life period. We know that n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda. When n is half of original, then T is half life period capital T. Therefore, n0 upon 2 is n0 e raised to minus lambda. N0 cancel. So 2 raised to minus 1 is e raised to minus lambda. Just copy this much first. Complete it again.
Yes, sir.
So 2 equals to e raised to lambda t. Negative power from both sides got cancelled. So this will become log of 2 to the base e is lambda t. Power gets separated and base remains same. Log 2 to the base e is lambda t. This I can write 2.3, sorry, lambda capital T, because n becomes half. इसमें क्या लिखा था? Previous one I had written capital T or small t. Let me check. This is capital T. Yeah? Here, this is capital T. When n becomes n0 by t, then small t becomes capital. So 2 equals to e raised to lambda capital. That means log of 2 to the base is lambda t. This means 2.303 log of 2 to the base 10. To remove this exponential function, we have to write 2.303 from maths, lambda t. This is 2.303. Log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010 lambda t. This is 0.693 equals to lambda t. Therefore, lambda is 0.693 upon capital T. Right. Next, define mean life. Yes, completed lambda wala part.
Yes, sir.
Next heading, define mean life. It is reciprocal of decay constant. Therefore, mean life T average, tau average is 1 upon lambda. This right definition, then we'll substitute this mean life and check what will be number of atoms when mean life, which is 1 upon lambda, is substituted in our formula. So n equals to n0 e raised to minus lambda if I take t as 1 upon lambda, then it is t mean. Completed?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Lambda into 1 upon lambda, can I write 1? Means lambda will get cancelled, no? Hello?
Yes.
That power
Yes, sir.
lambda into 1 upon lambda will get cancelled.
Sir, sir,
To minus 1.
Sir?
Say no?
Sir, n equals to n naught e raised to minus lambda t, and the next step was n equals to n naught e raised to minus lambda.
Lambda in place of t, I wrote 1 by lambda. Okay, so we can say n equals to n0 e raised to minus 1. Therefore n equals to n0 upon e. Therefore n is n0 upon what is e? What is value of e? Hello?
2.7.
2.7. Perfect.
714.
7.
14.
714.
2.7.
714 it is.
Two point 718.
2.718 approximately. Okay, 2.718 approximately. Now when I divide this 2.1718 1 divided by that, roughly what we get? 1.7.8. It comes approximately
0.36.
0.36 है, 36 आगे करोगे तो 7 के आसपास आएगा, तो 37 करो, 37 n0. So can I say that means n is how much percent of n0? 37%.
Yes, sir.
0.37 मतलब 37 upon 100, so 37%.
Yes, sir.
So thus,
Yes.
yeah, thus mean life is also defined as time in which radioactive substance reduces to 37% of original value. It is time in which radioactive substance reduces to 37% of original value, right? %37% of original value. Once you are done, please say.
Done, sir.
Okay. No. Half-life period is 0.693 upon lambda. But 1 upon lambda is average half-life or mean half-life. So half-life period is 0.69 T average. That means half-life is less than mean life or more than mean life?
Less than.
Yes, correct. It's less than mean life. Copy. Half-life is less than mean life. The common sense है ये 37% होएगा और वो 50%. तो 50% के बाद 37 होएगा ना, इसलिए हाफ लाइफ इज लेस. Completed.
Done, sir.
So today we stop here. One part I have done. In morning batch, I have not